She's pretty tick. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. What's up, guys? Stop. Go away. It's me. Back at it again. I look bald. That's okay. Okay. So, this is our room. We've got these cool beds with the shells. We've got Flounder and Sebastian and Ash brushing her teeth. They gave us a super, okay, they gave us a super dreamy picture of Eric and the dog, which is the only thing that matters. And then we also got this cool Little Mermaid shower. So how about that? And this octopus.
Well, look at the floor.
And the floor. It's all rug.
Over here.
Mm-hmm. And this looks like the ocean floor.
That's what it looks like?
And my feet smell bad because my shoes got rained on yesterday. For those of you who don't know, we're staying in the Art of Animation Resort and we're staying in the Little Mermaid section. So this is what it looks like. And there's the treasure. Today we're going to Magic Kingdom, but before that we're going to walk around and look at all the fun stuff, like the treasure box. The box right there. Oh look. Hello, King. I can't believe that's Madeline's dad up there. I think we might be at the end of the Lion King section. Yeah. So apparently, if you stay at a resort, you get free parking at any of the parks. No one has told us that until now. So now we're not taking the bus. I mean, last time we didn't have a car, but the time before that we did. And we took the bus. I guess our favorite place isn't open. The bar. The bar. All right, well, we just bought Storm some new shoes. See them? What do they have on them, Storm?
Mickey's.
Mickey's. Mickey and Minnie. Mickey. And now we're heading over to the Cars section to check it out, because you know I love cars.
And then we're gonna get corn dog nuggets.
Yep. All right, we're walking up on the Hudson Hornet, the legendary Doc Hudson. Wow. Tomato. Got Flo. Oh yeah. Luigi and Guido. Ramon. Alright, over here on your left we have some cozy cones that double as pool cabanas, I think. Some pretty clever stuff. And on your front we have a man running. He is late for a very important date. And on your right we have Sarge, the army dude. He's a Jeep. Dude. And this is Sarge's surplus hut. I don't know what it actually is. Now we're coming up on the star of our show. Actually the 2 stars. We've got Sally and Lightning McQueen. Go give him a big kiss. You know, I had to do it to him. Yeah. We're here at the Wheelwell Resort. And this is Sally. She had a tattoo on her back. No, they didn't put the tattoo on her back. Whatever. Anyways, we're heading up over on Fillmore. He's the hippie of the group. He's at the hippie van. Makes sense. It's very clever the way they've done this movie. We're gonna see Storm's favorite characters, the Italian guys, as she calls them. She doesn't know their names. She's too cool to know their names. In the kingdom. Yep. And we're going in some stores now. Storm's getting corn dog nuggets now. Yep. It's pretty busy.
Last chance to exit. Go ahead, Ash.
You gonna chicken out?
Get off like a baby.
I love this ride. Shut up. It's it's a mine train and it's waves. What a great ride. That's like one of my favorite rides here. What's up, viewers? Well, it's raining again and I just stepped in the world's biggest puddle. And now our feet are really wet. These are Storm's new shoes and this is what they look like in the rain. But we're heading to the 100 Acre Woods. We'll probably have to stand outside for a little bit in line. But we're gonna see Winnie the Pooh. Sing your song.
I can't.
Why?
Because
Why?
my new shoes got wet.
We're eating at this cafe here in the area near Splash Mountain. Peso Bills? Peso Bills Cafe. It's like a Mexican place. Last time I recorded we were gonna go on Winnie the Pooh. We didn't because we stand in line for almost an hour and barely moved. So we used our Haunted Mansion Fast Pass, which I didn't record because it's dark. And now we're here eating. I got the Southwest salad. And Storm got tacos. She got one of each kind, but the beef and cauliflower were not good, so she asked for 2 more chicken ones instead, and they just gave her 3 more. Is that mine you're eating?
Sorry.
I didn't know. She's eating my taco.
I'm sorry.
And these are her pickles. And we're considering staying for extra magic hours, but we're not sure.
I might need more pickles soon.
That's your second eating them. Pickles.
I might need more pickles soon.
Alright, gotta go. Sup, viewers? Haven't updated in a while. We went on a bunch of rides and saw the fireworks and stuff. We're on Big Thunder again. This is our last ride. My phone's gonna die, so peace out. Thanks for watching Disney Vlog. We leaving now. See you later, Nemo.
Fogging in the car.
See you later, Lightning. See you later, Simba. See you later,